Hi, welcome to Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a free resource that you just can click in with your Gmail, and it'll take you right to this home page. Edpuzzle, I would say, is a good for understanding and applying, um, and I would say it's more educational than it is a game. As you can see here on the left-hand side, I can very easily add a class via most of these popular, school platforms. And I can just click and then it will send a link to add one of my classes through Google Classroom or what have you. What Edpuzzle is instead of just having students watching a film, it actually has an educational kind of check for understanding component to it as well. So I can assign my students this functions evaluations, and I'm going to put on mute right now. This video right here, say as homework, it'd be a good use for if there's a substitute teacher, or this was a very popular choice for virtual learning. And as we watch, there are each of these little blips here are questions, and they're going to ask me for understanding. Okay, so based on, and I was listening, the input here is 2. And I submit. Okay, cool. I got it right. And it will give me that feedback right away. Now let's keep watching, and a few more seconds in, let's see what happens when we get one wrong. Okay, let's say, boom, okay. All right, it tells us, uh-oh, we got it wrong, and then it gives us the correct answer. This is good feedback, and as the teacher, we can see what the kids do and how they did it right. If I can do this full screen as well. So as you can see, probably not for everyday use. It doesn't really inspire a whole lot of conversation or meaningful discussion or group work with the peers. But again, a great tool for if there's a substitute or maybe a flipped classroom lesson where kids could go home and do this and then come back the next day and be ready to discuss. So let's see one more. What is the input here? Okay. And look at, they have an option to rewatch or skip this, which I think teachers, we can put on that skipping is not allowed. And then they check for understanding. Very cool. It's better than just sending kids, with a quick film and sending them on their way. Yeah, so I hope you like it. There's a lot more you can do with it. There's all different, there's a whole library of films on all different subjects and grade levels you can search. This is a global, you can look on different countries, what they're doing. Yeah, so I think it's a great tool. Again, not for everyday use, but something that you might find useful in your classroom. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed it.